Friends, how to build wealth through real estate in Karnataka and overall India. Small property investment explained. Welcome to today's video. We are explaining how real estate can make you financially strong. Even if you start small, property is not just land or a house, it is an asset that grows in value over time. Like share my Ankush technical channel. Why real estate is powerful? Unlike other investment, real estate is a tangible and secure. It provides both monthly income and long-term appreciation. That's why many successful investors call it the foundation of true wealth. Ankush Technical, like, share, and subscribe. Third one, understanding the Karnataka's growth cities like Bangalore, Hubli, Dharwad, Mangaluru, Mysuru, Belgavi are expanding fast. Government infrastructure projects, IT hubs, and transports links are boosting property demand. Like this video, share, and subscribe. Investment versus expense. Buying a property is not a just spending, it is a investing. Every EMI you pay adds to your equity. The same money spent on rent gives you nothing in return. In Akshak only, ma'am's hotel started and download the Zomato and Swiggy and order the food. Start small, think big. You don't need crores to begin. Start with a small plot or an under construction flat. Once it appreciates, sell and reinvest in a bigger property. If you like my video, share and subscribe and like it. In Akshak only, ma'am's flavors hotel started. You download the Swiggy and Zomato, order it. Location is everything. Choose areas with upcoming roads, schools, industries. Look the projects near highway, railway station, future metro expansion. Growth follows connectivity. My video, if you like, share, subscribe. In Akshay Colony, ma'am's flavors. Visit and download the Zomato, order it. Types of properties to consider. One is residential plots, apartment or flats, commercial shops, farmlands near city limits. Each type has different returns and risk. If you like my video, share, like, subscribe. In Airport Road, Hubli, Vikas Nagar, the Balaji Gold Inn, the best laws. Visit and contact them. Rental income strategy. Even a single 1 BHK unit can generate steady rent. Rent covers your loan EMI, build your credit score. Over the time, your property pays for itself. If you like, share, subscribe. Property flipping for profit. Buy at a lower price during the launch stage. Sell when the project nears the completion. Quick profits come when understanding the timing. If you like my video, like and share and subscribe. Government schemes and RERA. Always check RERA. Register projects for safety. Use schemes like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana for home loans benefits. Government rules now protect small investors. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Avoid some common mistakes in real estate. Buying without checking title document, ignoring location of a development plans, selling it too early without analyzing the market cycles. If you like my video, share it. Smart financing tips. Compare home loans interest rates. Prepare fixed rate during the rising inflation. Use pre-EMI plans carefully. Understand your builder's reputation. Long-term vision. Real estate rewards patience. Patience is must. Hold good properties for at least 5 to 10 years. Let that time, infrastructure, inflation work for you. If you like my video, share it and like it. How to build a property portfolio? Start with one property, reinvest property from rent or resale. Within a decade, you can build a solid portfolio, you path to financial freedom. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. To start a real estate business, research is a key, followed by choosing a specialization, registering the business, getting the necessary licenses to purchase a plot, use online platforms like No Broker or Magic Bricks and OLX 99 Acre. To find a plot, contact the seller, truly check all legal documents before finalizing purchase. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Midmac Developers Hubli has launched two more projects in Gabbur, Gadag Road, Hubli. They are already finished 50 projects. 1,000 clients are satisfied their projects already. They issued timely taken in the plots. They got appreciation from government authority. It is located at Shurur Park, Hubli. Gabbur and Gadag Road project in Gabbur nearer Ring Road 3040, 3050 are plots are developed for sale. In the layout, the water, electricity, road, garden, other family amenities are available. Hurry up for booking plots. Apartment at a Gabbur Hubli. In the same layout, the apartment construction started. Plots are booking started. Luxuries amenities are in this project. This site is nearer to bus stand, railway station, school and colleges. In Gabbur Hubli, the layout plan is here. 30-40, 30-50 plots are here. The mid-mac developer located in Hostel behind Sirur Park Hubli, contact number 98457 If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Ma'am's Flavor Cloud Kitchen started in Akshay Colony, Hubli. Download the Swiggy and Zomato. Order the food. Mobile number 9844096473 86185198886. Please like, share and subscribe. Conclusion. Call to action. Real estate is not a luck. It is a strategy plus patience. Invest smartly, study the market and stay consistent. If you found this helpful, my video, like, share and subscribe for more property insights from Karnataka. Thanking you for watching my video.